TopCare HVAC of Oakville proudly introduces the Daikin DZ7TC Heat Pump, a high-efficiency system designed for dependable heating and cooling throughout the year. With up to 17.2 SEER2, 12.5 EER2, and 8.2 HSPF2, the DZ7TC delivers efficient performance for lasting home comfort. Its two-stage Copeland UltraTech scroll compressor helps the system adjust to changing comfort demands. Available in 2 to 5 ton capacities and designed for ducted installation, this heat pump is built for reliable performance. Choose TopCare HVAC of Oakville for expert installation and trusted HVAC service.